car in ages. Breakfast pit stop.
Morning.
Morning.
Nice to meet you.
We're back.
You're back.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. In today's episode, we are going to be taking the 992 GT3 down to second skin, and we're going to be checking on the race car projects that Archie's been wrapping for us. We actually have 2 race cars there and 1 third car that looks like a race car but is actually a road car. I haven't driven this car in ages, and it's such a fun car to drive. Anyway, I'll update you guys again when we get to second skin. If you guys are wondering, I have a new mounting system. This is by Peak Design. This is their Peak Design tripod. That's the Peak Design car mount. They have a charging port also. This is going to be available on shop.angiemeadking.com. So if you guys want your own car mount, it's super nice. Welcome back to second skin.
You're back?
I'm back.
Yeah, I haven't
ha-
seen this car in a long time.
I should have a time card here now.
You should. Actually, you should. Sometimes you go here earlier pa than me.
Yeah, time card and extra parking.
Yeah, more parking slots for that.
So we're here today checking on my race car projects because you sent me updates.
I sent you updates and she got excited.
I know, it's like I'm gonna come down. I
was
want to
surprised
see.
actually because I thought it was white.
Yeah, no,
It's not.
no.
Better than white.
So we're gonna show you the first, I guess, official GT3 car because we have this second unofficial GT3 car. That's a road car with a GT3 kit.
And
But
it's super duper low.
but Archie's gonna show us the SLS GT3.
Yeah, we'll show you the SLS. So we started removing the wrap yesterday and we found out that it was actually full carbon underneath. And it looked really nice. Super sexy. Like everything's carbon except for this fender.
Yeah, you said it's been painted
Yeah, it's
on
been painted.
already.
So I think this had some damage before.
Right fender. Let me look in. I have some spare panels in storage, so maybe we have a right fender. But there's one fender that's missing. Like they didn't give me a spare, so I'm guessing that
Could
might
be.
be it. Ooh, okay, that's been repaired.
Wow, I can't wait to remove everything and see.
It's so sexy.
It is.
We
We were all
definitely,
surprised. We were like,
definitely. I think we should
should leave
expose
carbon.
expose carbon in all places, and just work around it.
Correct. We
Ha-
need to detail the carbon.
Have you printed on a clear wrap
I
before?
was thinking about that.
Ah!
I was thinking about that because I wanted to do like a fade to the carbon. You know how the
yes,
Bugatti
yes,
is.
yes.
I wanted to do something like that, so we're gonna
That-
experiment on
Wow, great minds think alike.
it. Exactly.
So I'm thinking like how to leave the carbon but still have a graphic over it.
I was actually
Print,
thinking.
print on a clear wrap.
Check this out.
Well, Archie's showing us this. Look at that.
Oh yeah, look at that. So I was thinking something like this, but instead of the green, it's gonna be purple, of course.
Yes.
And then the black's gonna be carbon.
And we're gonna have those little diamond Benzes.
Ganda, no? It's like
Yes.
yes. I'm so excited. So yeah, this is gonna be a really nice.
I think our goal is for AMG to notice us.
they might.
Diba? Ooh.
That's a lot.
This panel don't jiggle.
It breaks.
It breaks. Doesn't fold either. It cracks. Now it's like makes it more worth my investment.
It is.
It's like that Instagram song, like carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber.
I will make a reel about that.
Okay, we need a new windshield glass. This glass has so much strikes from all the slick tires throwing stuff at it. Anyway, Archie's gonna conceptualize what to do. We're gonna check our parts bin to see if we have a spare right fender, because that would make sense. If we had a spare right fender, then we can expose the whole nose, print on a clear or matte PPF wrap, and then get this beautiful fade with the color choices that we like. We were gonna do the Petronas, but because we're not really Petronas sponsored, we're just going to design our own wrap.
Yeah.
That's why, so this might take a little longer than expected. We might be able to run this maybe by February, because by January I won't be here in Manila. And December, no one really does anything anymore in December.
Everything gets so busy in December. Like,
It's like party
chaos.
season, right?
Yeah, it is. It's actually starting now.
Okay, featuring the Evo 4.5 rally car. Now this was an old rally car project that I've had. It's been not running for the longest time, and finally we got it running.
I remember seeing this at the farm. It was jacked up.
Yes, and now it's wrapped in purple because we were reviewing certain things in the farm, and then I ended up sending it to Full Setup Racing Motorsports, and they finished everything. So this is actually also carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Carbon fiber hood, front bumper, front fenders. The doors are fiberglass, and then the rear trunk is carbon fiber along with the rear bumper. So Archie decided to expose us a little here.
And then we actually added some matte PPF to bring it a little bit to life because it was pretty dull. And then we decided to expose the chin also.
It looks so good.
Looks really nice.
Oh, I can't wait to break hearts. We have our mud guards on already. We have our 17-inch tires that we're gonna actually replace the rubbers. I asked Archie to put some rubbers so that the doors don't flutter when we're flying through the back rally roads.
I want to see this thing fly.
This is a terameter. It allows the navigator to tell me what the course is like. We have a reading light for evening runs. Hydraulic handbrake, 6-speed sequential all-wheel drive gearbox. The comm system, I have a jack, another reading light over here. Obviously, the comm system is plugged into our helmets. Super legit.
So 3 of your wildest race cars are here.
Well, the fastest race car, the Radical, is in the
Oh,
track.
yeah.
But yeah, that's what I was saying, like visiting my race cars, because literally
All
rally
race
car,
cars, rally car,
track
GT3,
car, and then the one that
GT3.
looks like a GT3.
And you brought a GT3 to come here.
Yes, and the GT3, which is going to be another secret future project. Oh wait, I have some good news. So,
What did you buy?
no. Right, I was looking for G63.
Yeah.
I was being impatient because I thought Range Rover will be delayed until end of next year. I have my build date.
Oh.
We're confirmed build date for December, so the new Range Rover should be here March.
Nice, congrats.
Ah, and it's gonna
Not
be
that long na.
it's gonna be the same color as the GT3.
Oh,
I got the Batumbi Gold.
Beautiful.
So that's why I was saying, like, okay, since that's confirmed, I won't look at the G63s anymore, even though there's 2 of them staring at me here.
There's also a Range Rover there.
I know, but I have comfort, speed,
Yeah.
definitely speed. I love the new Range Rover. For me, it,
I like it.
rides well. It's so quiet inside. Hopefully, I don't put an exhaust on it.
I'm sure you will.
I can't.
100% sure.
Normally, the Range Rovers are assigned to my wife because it's the most luxurious ride.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Comfy and
I don't
quiet.
usually. I usually just do the mags and stuff.
We'll see. We'll see.
But that's my favorite, a white G63.
This part is matte ready. This is so glossy.
Oh, I mean, I do
So
exactly the same thing.
Yeah, it looks so clean.
Maybe one day we'll still have one.
You can't even remove it anymore by hand or by sleeve. So you scrape it off
Yeah.
slowly. So that's terrible talaga.
Look at this. It's yellow already, and
It's
it's
super brittle, man.
it's flaking off. And I'm sorry about all the mess, but
So basically,
look at this.
Yeah.
So are we ruining the paint?
No, actually no. We've
We're-
had this issue a lot of times already with older PPFs. So they still do their job just to protect the paint, but the only thing is the removal is a nightmare, as you can see.
You were saying the wrap is as old as the car, probably.
Probably.
So this is a 2015,
2014,
probably. Yeah.
So
7
8
years,
years, 7
8
years.
years. Shit.
I was thinking the first few PPFs that came out before shouldn't be on the car for more than 3 to 5 years.
No one told us that. They always like, oh, 5-year warranty.
Now, it's a 10-year warranty and it's guaranteed now because they study the material. This is the first gen.
So when we got here also the car was aired out, which meant that the offset was pushing onto the carbon fenders. Good thing we didn't crack anything. But
I think it's carbon. And it's
yeah,
really strong.
we're gonna see if we can shave a little of the back pad here just so that we can sit the wheel down a little.
Got power over me. You lock me up, don't wanna leave. Use it, the little things. Without you, don't mean a thing. My pride is being too good for you.
We're gonna get out of Archie's hair.
We're gonna miss you again.
I'll be back in a few weeks. Gotta finish the other projects to send down to you.
By the time you're back, Evo 5's done.
Okay.
SLS, probably halfway, GT3 will be done.
Ooh, I can't wait to drive either on the... Wait, no, not road, road.
Yeah.
We're gonna leave Second Skin now, and hopefully if we have time, we can check on the RWB. We got new exhaust tailpipes and a new LED
Oh yeah, I saw that. Ganda.
LED brake light.
When
It
are you
looks so
installing
good.
that?
They're doing it as we speak.
Okay.
So I'm gonna check if... I think I'll make it.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll get back on the road. See you guys again in a bit.
See you.
So I just got a message from Alfredo. I don't think we're gonna be able to make it down to Garage 2233 because apparently Archangel's DME relay and the resistor block for the oil cooler fan is not working, so we will not be able to hear the 5-speed muffler bypass exhausts running. So we're basically gonna end the vlog here. I'll see you guys again in the next episode. Peace out.